Hello students, my name is Lee Hastings and I'm going to be your science teacher this year. This video is for all of my virtual students. Virtual students will have the Edmentum curriculum and all of your work will be done on Edmentum. You will still have a Google Classroom class and I will invite you to that class directly from Google Classroom. You will get an email, but it's not necessary to go there. You can go directly to classroom.google.com and your class invitation should be there. You should just be able to click on accept. And everything will, our information about our Google Meets will be on there. They're going to be really important. We will be required to have Google Meets every week, and it's going to be really important that we can communicate. Okay, it won't be necessary for you to have your camera on unless you want to. You don't have to, but everybody does need to show up at least to the full group Google Meet, which will be either Monday or Tuesday, depending on whether you have Black Day or Orange Day class. Also, I will need to make sure you will get a form in your Google Classroom the first week where you will need to fill out, and you will need to either fill it out for your parents or get your parents to fill it out. Two separate forms, I think. One is just information about you. The other is contact information from your parents. We will need to be able to get in contact with both you and your parents, okay? So if you do not show up, for example, to Google Meets, I'm going to be trying to find you, and we need to be able to reach you at any time. If you have any questions, you can email me at lee.hastings@dcs.edu. Or you can send me a message directly from Google Classroom if you like. I look forward to getting to know you. Thank you.